Hi travellers, welcome back to Connolly Cove. Today we will explore the remarkable history and architectural brilliance of one of Spain's most iconic and enduring landmarks, the Aqueduct of Segovia. Built by the Romans in the 1st century AD, this engineering marvel has stood the test of time for over 2 millennia. It is one of the best preserved Roman aqueduct bridges and the foremost symbol of the city of Segovia. One of the aqueduct's primary functions was to transport water from the Frio River to the city of Segovia. The aqueduct continued to supply water to the city until the 19th century, and it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. The aqueduct's architectural brilliance is evident in its towering granite blocks and perfectly fitted arches. It's an 813 meters in length aqueduct with a total of 167 arches. There is no mortar or cement between the 20,400 blocks. The highest point of the construction is on Plaza del Azoguejo, where it is 28 meters high. The Aqueduct of Segovia is not just an architectural masterpiece. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, resilience, and the enduring legacy of ancient civilizations. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through time and encourage you to visit in person to marvel at this incredible feat of engineering and history.